Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gruvgear Guitars. To some sweet melodies and singing and a song from Tate McRae, Anything But Love. So this is a very straightforward song. We have 4 chords that goes in the same way through the entire song. We love that scenario. Cape on first. That's best setup for us to have the easiest chords possible. Let's go into it. We have the F major 7 to start with. So that's a chord that goes 3rd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. We have the E7 next. So E7 goes open E, 2nd A, open D, 1st G, open B, and open E. A minor 7, a lot of 7s here. So open A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And you're gonna end with A7, and that will be open A, 2nd D, open G, 2nd B, open E. Only difference from A minor 7 to A7 is that 1st to 2nd B. So very easy chords to hold, and mostly just 2 fingers. Yeah, great life. That is simply that. So anyway, let's go into the strumming. We have that chord progression going on from the beginning till the very end, just to mention it. Now, grab that first F major 7 chord and play like this. Okay, so you're gonna start with down, down, clap. Then comes down, up, down. Down, up, down. And you finish off with clap down. If you put that together, it will be down, down, clap, down, up, down, clap, down. You're gonna play one of these per chord in the same order I mentioned: F major 1, E7 1, A minor 7 1, A7 1. Sounds like this. And so magically you managed to handle Tate McRae's Anything But Love. Nice song. So I hope you liked that tutorial, and if it was helpful, leave me a like. Be back for next upload. Play tuned.